Almost 97% of people that want to be rich, successful, and multimillionaires, they don't have no clue on what they want. I'm going to prove it to you. If I ask you right now, what do you want? You're going to say, well, I want to be rich. What does that mean? I want to be a millionaire. What does that mean? I want to be successful. What does that mean? What does success mean to you? Well, I want to be financially free. Hey, you're not in jail. You are free. If you continue to chase money, you'll realize money is not what you really want. What you want is the feeling. When I got the Lamborghini, I was excited. The kids, I felt better. I had a feeling of happiness. Feelings are free. And you can feel right now that you're rich. You can feel right now that you're successful. You can feel right now that you're abundant. You can feel that way right now. But most of you, you'll never get to this level of success. It's because you're waiting for something else to take place in the physical realm until you decide to win. Listen, you're winning now. It's the mindset. See, that's why this meditation is so powerful. The Genie Script. Click the link below. Check it out. It'll change your world and it'll change your life. Let's go!